try to holler at me.
But the scrub's checking me and his gimmy's kinda weak, and I know that he cannot approach me, cause I'm looking like glass and he's looking like trash. Can't get with no deadbeat ass song.
No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time.
I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get enough from me, hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me, hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Holler at me. Holler at me. Holler at me.
If you don't have a car and you're walking, if you live at home with your mama,
We're all in our private traps,
if you have a shorty but you don't show love,
clamped in them, and none of us can ever get out.
who wanna get with me with no money, oh no, I don't wanna.
Sometimes we deliberately step into those traps.
I was born in mine. I don't mind it anymore.
Oh, but you should. You should mind it.
Oh, I do, but I say I don't.
No, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get enough.